Alright everyone, how y'all doing today? I am coming out with you with another great, wonderful, priceless PC build. This priceless is a full gaming, editing, and streaming rig priceless build. You get everything included from the microphone, from web to 1080p webcam, and the monitor. And of course, you're gonna go ahead and get that monster PC rig. Yes, sir. Now, I love doing these at price lists because one, I want to give everybody the best price that is available out there to the newcomers that wants to build their own PC. I can go ahead and put it together because I'm a system innovator, so I'm putting the system together on anything that's out there. I can go ahead and push it from socket 775, 1150s, LGAs 1151s, LGA 1200s, AM3s, FM2s, FM2 Plus, AM2s, AM2 Plus, and the latest boards that we're using now are the AM4s. Now I can go ahead and push it with the AM4s and the LGAs 1200. Those are the newest. Those are what a lot of people use today, and they use it for basically everything from gaming, streaming, editing, etc. Now, when I build the old school stuff, I go by basically what the person going to use the PC for. I will not build an all-out editing rig, gaming rig, or streaming rig just for, oh, I'm just going to go ahead and browse the website and pull up some recipes. Or I'm just going to go ahead on and browse whatever. Or I just want to use it for school use. Or I just want to just go ahead and use it for streaming use, just Hulu and Netflix, and that's it. This is why I built my price list, build list, based upon consumer use. Now, everybody's different. Everybody don't go ahead on and do the same as what the other person do. This person is an extreme gamer. This person just want to go ahead on and just sit and watch their latest Netflix movies on Hulu, Netflix, or any streaming device such as Sling TV, etc. This person might just want to just play regular 1080p gaming. So I build basically my price list on all areas that I can cover. Now, I'm doing an all-out full build list, and everybody gonna love this list because I love it myself. Now let's go ahead and get right into it. Alrighty, all parts are coming from Newegg. I shop with Amazon. I come basically find my parts. They start skipping and scapping, so I'm just gonna go to the base site that I know that sells the computer parts, and to go ahead and get them available and at the right price. Now, starting it off with the Rosewill ATX Mid-Tower Gaming PC computer case. This is the Spectra D100 adjustable RGB fans included. You got 4 fans included, and it's coming in at $74.99. I got teaming with the Asus Geforce GTX 1660 Super overclock 6GB dual fan EVO edition, VR ready, HDMI display port, DVR graphic card for $339.99. Teaming that up with the EVGA 600 BA100 600-watt power supply at $52.99, and I'm teaming up with this beast monster here. Still a good processor to use is the AMD Ryzen 5 3600, 6 cores, 12 threads, 3.6 gigahertz with a 4.2 gigahertz max boost, coming in at $199.99. And also keep in mind that these Ryzen 5 3600 cannot stay on shelves now because they are flying off because everybody can get the latest new gear. Now, moving it right along is the GSkill Ripjaws V series dual kit, 16GB to 8GB sticks at 288 pins, coming in at DDR4 with 3200 megahertz speed. Coming in at $76.99. I am teaming up with TeamGroup MP33 M.2 2280 1TB PCIe 3.4 by 4 NVMe SSD drive at $95.99. I am teaming up with TeamGroup CX2 2.51 terabyte SSD at $85.99. Now I am teaming up with the WestingHouse WM27PX 9019. This is a 27-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 at 144 Hz HDMI VGA display port, AMD FreeSync technology, flicker free, edgeless design, eye care technology, widescreen, coming in at $199.99. I am teaming up with Rosewill RGB AIO 240 millimeter radiator cooler at $69.99. Yes, I always talk about I love my air coolers, but I can't go wrong with this AIO cooler. As long as y'all take care of it, keep it dust free, do your maintenance on it regular every 6 months to a year. Keep the dust off of it. This thing could go ahead and last you a lifetime. And this radiator cooler is coming at you at $69.99. Now I am teaming up with the Logitech Z333 2.1 speakers with the easy access volume control headphone jack at $64.99. I am pushing that up with Gigabyte A520M DS3H Micro ATX motherboard. This motherboard has 4 sticks of RAM. The highest max of the RAM is 128 gigabyte of RAM. So if y'all want to go ahead and max it out to that maximum capacity, you can. And it has the ARGB headers on the board, so you are good to go. This board coming at you at $69.99. I am teaming up with an HD 1080p webcam autofocusing webcam with the microphone at $21.99. I am teaming up with the TF200 gaming keyboard and mouse combo at $26.99. And I am teaming up with the NeeWer NW700 microphone kit. This kit includes one condenser mic and a suspension scissor arm with mounting clamps for $27.99. Now, this is a wonderful and exciting, all full built PC, priceless, and it is coming at you at $1,422.57. This is your all-out streaming, editing, gaming rig. You cannot go wrong with this. If I had the money right now, I would be clean on this build here, and I love this build. I love the parts that I put together on this build, so I can't really go wrong with it. Now, the card I was for the team up with it was the graphic card. Now I'm gonna go roll with the Asus Geforce GTX 1660 Super at 6 GB, but I was gonna go with the RX 580. Not really the RX 590 Fat Boy. Yes, the 8 GB graphic card, but you can't go wrong with this 6 GB dual fan kit. So, and this is the only graphic card that is available. Everything is sold out. And these graphic cards are pushing hard. They are pushing fast. Everybody's getting into gaming. Everybody's getting into streaming on YouTube. Everybody are becoming creators because everybody want to have fun and enjoy the world of creating, the world of gaming, the world of streaming. So, let's go ahead and let's do this. Let's have fun. You can't go wrong with this price list. And if y'all love this priceless build, go ahead on and buy the parts. Go ahead on and do your thing. And go ahead on and enjoy the gaming, streaming, and editing universe. Thank y'all for watching. Click the like button. Drop a comment. And peace.